Good morning guys, Jason here from Blackpool Auto Mart down here on Disley Close, right there between our Blackpool Fiat dealership and our Honda Superbike Centre, part of the Cox Motor Group. Here we also have our flagship Honda dealership, our on-site MOT and servicing bays, and over there in the corner our on-site paint and body clinic with our valeting team. So upon purchase of any vehicle here at Blackpool Auto Mart, you'll receive a full premium valet and a full service as well. Guys, I'm excited here. So this morning I'm bringing you this fantastic looking 2014 on a 64 plate Fiat 500. This is the 1.2 Lounge Dualogic 3-door petrol automatic. It comes in that stunning Bossa Nova White. That is the gloss effect paint. We're sitting on 35,652 miles. And we're featuring on top of those 15-inch 9 double-spoke silver alloys with those black Fiat 500 inserts there. The car comes with a Blue and Me hands-free system with the USB port, the chrome kit interior, lounge interior in the ivory and grey. We've got the embossed 500 symbol on the seats as well. Fixed glass sunroof just up there for you guys. That comes with the sunblind on the interior as well. We've got those chrome wing mirrors there. Get your fog lights. This car looks impeccable. We also have the city button mode in this car, which increases the power assistance of the steering when you're driving through low speeds. It just lessens the driver's effort level when you're parking. Eco drive mode, voice control, and a multifunctional steering wheel as well. So here's the 3-door. So we're going to jump into the boot first and just show you the boot we have on this car. It's a nice high opening boot there. Nice bit of space there for you. And then a spare wheel kit as well. Close that boot down there. We'll have a look at the interior. So like I say, is that grey cloth with the ivory leather seating. We pull the seat forward just like that. We can see those 2 seats at the back for the rear passengers. Cup holders down there for those rear passengers, and we'll jump into the driving seat. So looking above my head, we have got your retractable sun visor there and your fixed glass sunroof, and we close that back up. Down here we've got your auxiliary input, we've got your USB input there, 12-volt battery, a couple cup holders, and we are your automatic. Key to start. So I pop the key in the ignition. Couple little menu buttons there for you display on the front here. It's like a Christmas tree there. Sparkly and good. So we can see no warning lights, and we are sitting on 35,654 miles. There's a steering wheel there for you with your voice control and your telephone connectivity. Got your wipers and washers, which you can see are working, and your indicators and headlights. Coming down here, you've got your manual air conditioning unit, your electric power windows, and then we have your radio. You can see the sound is very good quality in the car, and we can turn it down via the steering wheel there for you. CD auxiliary input, so we'll flip through your menus. No CD, and your traffic info as well that you can have turned on. There's that city mode button we were talking about. So we press that, puts it into Eco City in the middle there. And like I said, it just tightens the power steering up to make it easier for you to drive and park. So guys, if there's any questions about the vehicle, do give us a call here at Blackpool Auto Mart. We're more than happy to answer any vehicle questions. If you have any questions around financing the vehicle, we can offer you finance on the vehicle, so do get in touch. And if you'd like to reserve the vehicle, it is just £100. You can do that over the phone here at Blackpool Auto Mart, or you can do that online at coxmotorgroup.com. Here's hoping you have a great new year, guys.